So I have a 2005 Ford F-150, and I can get power to it. I hear it engage, but nothing will turn over. But when I press on the brake, I can hear clicking. Can hear clicking over there. I get the air to turn on. Got the radio to turn on, but the dome light does not turn on. I have lights to the headlights. Every single time I press on the brake, that clicks right there, and I'm assuming one of the relays click in there. But when I let off the brake, the air does not turn on. But as soon as I press the brake in, the air works again. I have no clue.